We are just east of Red Lake, and sort of earlier this morning on trend with the route discovery and Macomb discoveries, right on trend, about 120 kilometers due west, and now we're a little further north, but while we're driving a lot, we're covering a little bit of ground in this 3-day trip, because our 64 different properties start at the Quebec border, all the way to the Manitoba border, and all the way down to the U.S. border. So they are geographically located everywhere there's been an LCT pegmatite discovery. So all the prospective areas we are present, but we're not. It's important to remember, we're not present there because there's been a discovery. Certainly, it's attractive to be where a discovery has been made, but every single property has been mapped, purchased, or optioned based on extensive geological data being examined. And as you can tell, so we're in 75 kilometers of dirt road to get to one of the properties, and we're bringing the 3 senior geologists there, and we'll drive back 75 kilometers and go back home. And those are the things you need to do if you want to be successful finding lithium.